Kanselado muna ang kasal nina Andy Eigenman at Filmar Alipayo, kasunod ng pagpanaw ng ina ng actress na si Jacqueline Jose. Nagpagdesisyonan umano nila ito dahil sa nangyari. Honestly, we wanted to get married this year. But under the circumstances, we decided to wait a bit. It was supposed to be for Mom. Slowly, I hope I will get there. But I know she is proud. She loves me and her grandchildren, so I will focus on the good things and my family, paliwanag pa ni Andy. Sabi pa ng actress, it is touching. My 2 younger children, without having to explain, they understand the situation. We always go to Manila, so they always look for nanay. They really wondered. But now, I think they understand now. Which is weird, since they are so young, dagdag niya. Dagdag pa niya, I am proud of Ellie, who is 12, she has a deeper understanding. I know she is grieving and is sad, but she is very strong. It is nice to see and hear the things she says to remember my mom. Matatandaan na pumanaw si Jacqueline sa edad na 60.